So we've got about 10 minutes left on this charge, and I can tell you the charge rate that's going on right now. This cable is pretty warm to the touch. In fact, there are points on this cable, sort of at the curves, I would say, that it's not only warm, I would say it's a drop beyond warm. My guess is it's probably about 125 degrees, something like that. I don't have a thermometer to actually measure it, but this cable definitely feels warm. And I would say it's about 125 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that. It's 115 kilowatts right now on the supercharger here.